quesadillas, tacos. Put them together, Birria Quesa tacos. That's it. I'm Tigré, and today we're making Birria Quesa tacos from scratch. I've always wanted to try Birria Quesa tacos, so I made them. We're gonna start with 1 chili pasilla, about 4 chili guajillo, and about 4 chili ancho. I'm making a smaller batch, so these quantities might be off to you. We're gonna stem and seed these chilies. I'm gonna be using 1 onion, and I'm just gonna quarter it. I love garlic, so I'm gonna put 1 small head in. What is that? Do you hear that? Wait a second. Okay, seriously though, I'm gonna quarter about 8 Roma tomatoes. Now, we're gonna move on to our protein. Typically, birria is made with lamb, but today I'm using beef cheeks. Beef cheeks face, not beef cheeks ass. Beef cheeks have a lot of collagen, and they need to be cooked low and slow to break down the connective tissue. But it's worth it, and they have such a great texture and they are full of flavor. They are also rather an inexpensive cut of meat. You just need to cut all the fat and silver skin off, and make sure it doesn't look ugly. You need a nice heavy bottom pot. Turn on medium-high heat. We want to put a good hard sear on these beef cheeks. Always good to wash your hands, especially nowadays. This is what you want to see. Now in the same pot, we are going in with the ingredients we prepped before. Now I'm going to add some Mexican oregano, some black peppercorns, some bay leaves, some allspice, some cumin, and I got some good Mexican cinnamon. This smells wonderful. Throw in some vinegar and just cover with water. Add about 3 tablespoons of kosher salt, and we're going to boil for about 15 minutes or until your chilies are soft. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes. We are going to grab our blender and transfer our contents to the carafe and blend. Take your pot from earlier and add back in your beef cheeks. Add our birria mixture we just blended up. Add water to the top of the pot and bring to a boil. I'm going to add some beef bouillon to strengthen the beef flavor. Make sure you stir every now and then. And after around 7 hours, this is what you get. That looks so f***ing good. Tell me I'm wrong, man. Grab a strainer and strain out the beef. What you're left with is the consommé, which is also known as liquid gold. Your beef cheeks should be tender and delicious. We're just gonna shred or cut them up nicely. Almost done. Let's prep our fresh ingredients. We're gonna chop up our white onion and cilantro. For our cheese, I got some fresh Oaxaca melting cheese. Make sure you don't forget the limes. Now get a pan on medium heat and add some oil. I'm using my homemade corn tortillas. If you want to see how to make corn tortillas from scratch, I have a video on my channel. Oh, I forgot I was doing commentary. Typically, you would dip the tortillas in the consommé before you make the taco, but I forgot. Don't forget the consommé. I'm at a loss of words. I can't. Ooh. So good, so good. You can make Birria Quesa tacos too. I believe in you. If this video was helpful in any way, then give me a like, if you want. If you want to see more content like this in the future, then subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.
Siento que todos sienten, todos quieren estar con ella. Bonita, 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 bonita. No sé, tímido y empiece a bailar. Bonita, 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 bonita. Estaré aquí a tu lado bailar. Bonita, bonita.
They are also rather beef cheeks, face, not